I woke up in beast mode.
Hey, what's up, Beast? We're back with another video, and today, guys, we're on a mission, guys. Coldest water bottle, coldest water bottle. Link it down in the description below. Subscribe, hit that post notification button. If the subscribe button is red, you're doing something wrong. Look at it right now. It's red, right? That means you haven't subscribed to your boy. You're not part of the Wakanda Beast Gang. Wakanda forever, guys. So make sure to hit that subscribe button. We're on a mission today, guys. I'm going to react to Queen Bee's video. I seen it talking about Layla got a girlfriend. Layla got a girlfriend. What? Yeah, what? What? All right, we have some lobster tail right here. Look at that lobster tail. You feed me fried lobster tail. This is the fried seafood version. We got some shrimp right here. Shrimp. You feel? We have some conch right here. We got some lemons. We got some fries. We got some corn. Listen, I'm gonna eat first. I'm gonna react to this video. We got a boyfriend. We got a boyfriend. Got a boyfriend. What? Ah. There's some yum yum sauce right here. Yum yum yum. All right. Listen, share. I'm not in the mood today. No noise. Huh? Yeah. Was that the shrimp? Got the lobster bits. Alright, break that there for you. We're gonna put in this honey mustard. Oh yes. Put in the honey mustard. I mean, cannot tell, but I'm getting to the bottom of this today. Alright? Who likes to put lemon on their conch? Get some good old conch. Serve. Oh. So listen, guys. I had a feeling. So suspicious was going on. Every time I pick Layla up, she always smiling, looking back, like she waiting for somebody. I saw a little booger nose in the background. I saw this big black dude. He didn't step up to her. But one day, I was watching Queen Bee's video. She talk about she went to pick up Layla, and this little boy ran and got Layla's bag and gave her the bag. And the teachers was like, oh, and Queen Beast was like, oh. And when she told me the story, I was like, alright, so I think it's that dude. Another story. Layla's birthday party. First time I'm really interacting with the rest of the kids that's in her class. We bring her we throw her a frozen birthday party at her school. One of the teachers jokingly says, hey dad, you see him? They're very cute. And I was like, I gave the laugh that was like but what was really going inside my head, plate. Exactly. That's what was going in my head. How dare you insinuate there's something going on with my dada? She's 3 years old. Fast forward. Queen Beast posted a video. Layla has a boyfriend. Look at these fries. My Layla. My innocent girl. I have to see it to believe it. So today, Beast Gang, 70% of guys watching me, but 90% of females commenting. We're going to find out what is going on and if it needs to be stopped and tortured and handled. It's a dramatic music right now. Today, my friends, We go to war. The devil's a liar. We got stumped for one of our own in hopes of ripping them away. But we in the British gang was saying no as we eat our food. I stand toe to toe with the devil and let him know over our dead bodies. Alright guys, so now I ate some of the food. I even touched the corn, you know I'm serious. I ain't playing. You feel me? Did I say get yourself a quarters water bottle? Make sure you do. Without further ado, let's react to this video.
So where did you get that bracelet from?
I don't know.
Who gave it to you?
Some boys gave it to me.
A boy gave it to you?
I seen the bracelet. Matter of fact, I know where the bracelet is at. I know where that damn bracelet is. Should I burn it?
Hey, what's up, kings and queens? It's your girl Queen Beast back with another video for you, and you.
She has the bracelet
What
on.
are we doing today,
The
Layla?
disrespect. She has the bracelet on. My lord, this is what happens when you don't beat your kids. My lord, she has the bracelet that's on her. She's taunting me. She's the disrespect.
Today we eating crab
What else?
and
She cute though.
sausage.
We got Cajun butter sauce.
Yes.
We got prawns.
What's this?
Crab, a big crab
The
leg.
big crab leg.
And we got
Delicious.
prawns.
I want to scare it.
You don't want to scare it?
No.
You're not gonna scare it. It's already dead.
Yeah.
We got some Gouda mac and cheese.
Yo. Yeah, that was funny. I must have gonna lie.
And I tried to sprinkle some Cheetos on this thing, but it's an epic fail, so I'll take this
But
one.
that's the potatoes they put there.
Yeah, the Cheetos. And this is Layla's macaroni
Yeah.
and Layla's crab leg. So let's get started.
The potatoes right now. I can eat it.
Okay, go ahead and eat it, baby girl. She likes Cheetos, by the
Cute.
way.
I must have gonna lie.
Alright, so
I'm starting
if
to think the
you are
cuteness
new
is
to the channel and
distraction.
you're not subscribed yet,
Let's
make sure you
fast
guys
forward this
click
right quick.
it out in my next coming video.
Alright, let's go. Come on.
Right, Layla? We do shout outs, right?
Yeah.
So, let's get started. What you want to eat first, baby?
Piss me off.
The
off, I didn't
crabs.
see that.
Of course she wants the crab. And of course, y'all
Let
know.
me fast forward. I need to
Yeah,
see
you
about
got
this
some
bracelet. I
Cheetos.
didn't come for the mukbang.
I want to.
I'm sorry.
Because you want to.
Piss me off.
Yeah. I want
Let's fast forward.
You're welcome. So, how have your guys' day been?
Oh.
My day wasn't too bad.
on,
Hubby
come on.
with his
The
video.
damn bracelet staring at me again, bruh. Oh, no.
So, where did you get that bracelet from?
Where'd you get that bracelet?
I don't know.
Who gave it to you?
Some boys gave it to me.
A boy gave it to you?
Yes.
Really?
Yeah.
Ah, Layla, what boy?
A boy gave it to me and you take away.
Why did the boy give it to you?
Because I want to take away. It's
'Cause
so
you-
beautiful.
Because you wanted a neck.
First of all, the bracelet is ugly. It's not a necklace. It's a bracelet. And out of 1 to 10 and good looking, it's a negative 5,000. First of all, ugly. All right. So whoever you are, I don't want to be too mean because I don't know. I'm not trying to bully a little kid. That's an ugly bracelet, dog. That's an ugly bracelet. Press please.
This,
Yeah, it's so beautiful.
how did
Not beautiful.
was it a little boy?
Yeah?
How did a little boy know that you wanted a necklace?
How did he know that?
Did you tell him that?
No?
didn't
So
tell
he
him?
just got it for
You
you?
didn't tell him.
What's the boy's name?
A boy's is Dominic?
Dominic.
Yes.
Name Dominic. How did she pronounce that name so clear? Take out. You okay?
Dominic is my best friend.
He's your best friend?
Oh, Layla, man, hold on, let me, listen, Layla, listen, you don't have friends, sweetheart, okay? The only friends you have is the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. That's it.
Really?
Yes.
Wow. Dominic is your best friend and gave you a necklace. I don't know how I feel about that, Layla.
Yeah, exactly, I know.
How should I feel about that? How should I feel about Dominic getting your a bracelet?
I don't know.
You don't know. Will Daddy be okay with that?
Holding it.
Yeah?
Nah.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Let's fix this, man, please. This is what it needs to be.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
That's what I'm talking about. That's exactly what I'm talking about. She's gonna be ready, perplexed.
So.
I don't think Daddy would be okay with that.
Of course. Thank you,
No.
babe.
No, I don't think Daddy would
See
be
her
okay
face?
with that.
Yeah, exactly.
And she's so
Why is she laughing?
came to me.
Did you tell the boy thank you?
No?
Good job. Scare him away. Scare him away. Make him run. Piss me off, dog.
Why?
Lord.
I can't. Because the boy is not leaving.
Because the boy is not leaving?
He ain't going nowhere.
You want him to leave?
Yeah.
You want to leave?
No, Mama.
Do you like Dominic?
Yeah, I love it.
You love
What the hell just popped up on my damn screen? I love that's not funny. Q Mick Qualls, this is not funny. Love Dom.
Dominic?
Yeah.
Did she say she loved she loved Dom? I just read that she said she loved Dom. Yo, chair.
You're funny, Mommy.
I'm what?
You're funny.
I'm funny, you funny. Who says that? I'm trying to break this. You know what? I'm going to skip this for a little bit
I didn't know over this.
and go to this because I'm hungry myself.
Me
Babe,
too.
did you continue
I know
the
you are.
conversation?
You working it.
Oh, so y'all just gonna eat the crab like nothing
This is
just
that
happened?
crab.
So you just gonna throw the L word around and just act like nothing just happened and just eat talking about crab tastes good? See, you see what happened when you got cute little girls? They be see Queen Bee's. Listen, dog. Listen, we gonna have to talk about this, dog. I don't know, guys. I'm out, kid. I'm out.